Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Say. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your WhatsApp backing up messages. Now, first you need to check if your internet connection is stable or not. As you can see, my internet is stable and it has no problem being connected. And second step is you can restart your phone or rebooting your phone to fix your messages. And after that, also check on Play Store or on your App Store if your WhatsApp is on your latest version or not. So as you can see, my WhatsApp is on latest version. After that, you can reinstall the WhatsApp by uninstalling it WhatsApp and again installing it from your Play Store or your App Store. And after that, your backing up messages will be solved. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.